AKT.
PLTD halted.
OSW.
Tiny halted.
OII.
PLTD will resume at 10 hours 18 minutes and 46
SGMT.
seconds. TSLS halted.
IKT.
TINY will resume at 10 hours
TRUP.
18 minutes and 45 seconds.
CNXC.
TSLS will resume at 10 hours 18 minutes and 44 seconds.
CDN.
PLTY halted.
Literally can't catch a
PLTY
single
will
trade.
resume at 10 hours 18 minutes and 44
It's just,
seconds.
it's too bad.
CTEX halted.
WFRD.
Oh, it's just too bad, man.
18 minutes and 41 seconds.
I don't even know what to say.
VXX halted.
CALX.
VXX will resume at 10 hours 18 minutes and 39 seconds.
SPHR.
QUP may resume in less than a minute.
TGLS.
NSCS may resume in less than a minute.
RRR.
MNRS may resume in less than a minute. NMAX may resume in less than a minute.
PSQH.
SVIX may resume in less than a minute. NUGO may resume in less than a minute.
THO.
GFLW may resume in less than a minute.
COLB.
VIXY may resume in less than a minute. SOXLAYS may resume in less than a minute. ZIPP may resume in less than a minute. SPWH and FE may resume in less than a minute.
DBBT. VIOT. LUCD. SLXN. DRIO. WTFC. POWL. FDMT. CMPR. UBSI.
Selling that.
EMBC. PFS. HWC. COGT. FIX. BBNX.
That's too bad.
GFAI. RBLB.
Tariffs canceled.
AIDZ may resume in less than a minute.
HAE. KLIC. WAT.
OOQB halted.
KLXE.
OOQB will resume at 10 hours 20 minutes and 30 seconds.
BBS.
PABU
GBA.
halted.
GEL. DUOL.
PABU will
TROX.
resume at 10 hours 20 minutes and 28 seconds.
TRBI.
ADVE may resume in less than a minute. GRRR.
CRWB.
TQQQ.
I don't know what to say.
CHEY. RAPT. SD. IMNN. NRIX. SEMR. KW. SRRK.
Most people don't know this, but
WBTN.
running your own AI bot
SPCY
is
may
one of the
resume in
quickest
less
ways
than
to
a
get passive
minute.
income
PRCH.
today.
70.
IBP.
Right now, 16,700.
HIW.
It's at
PCT1.
18.3. At 18.3.
Down to
These are
229.
unprecedented bounces. From the open,
PBY.
Palantir is up 22% from the open. Affirm is up 20% from the open. SoFi is up 21% from the open. Amazon and Nvidia 16, 15%. That's from the open. What we're seeing here, CCL 13. Like these are all ridiculous. And you see what the kind of the ridiculous, absurd trade rate is. Nvidia just broke $100. I mean that's insane. Obviously, look, man. Did I think that Intel was going to be up 4% today? There is a 0%. I usually say you should never consider anything 0%. You should consider all probabilities. This is as close to a 0% probability as I've ever seen, for sure. There's no question about it. So this is absolutely
My
flying.
trade zero
Marvell
is
is flying.
completely
Micron, which is, it's nuts to say it.
BSTZ.
Yeah, it's right back up to 72. Like we were just talking about the death of, it's still pretty ugly on the daily chart, but the death of Micron. Some of these dip buys are absolutely
My trade zero was completely broken there for a second.
It doesn't really matter what you're looking at here, everybody. But all you could do is, if you were bearish on anything, you had to get away from it. You just had to get away. I'm not saying you had to punch along. I didn't hear that Trump story. Actually, I haven't heard any stories in my ear at any point. But I was saying the whole time, and I'm going to kick myself over this, because I'm saying the whole time, this one's BS, regardless of whether the market bounces or not. It's saying I should be building a position in Walgreens, I should be building a position in Walgreens. He did it, it's okay, but I should be like 3, 4, 5x core weave on this stock. But like I said, it is what it is. Make the next trade. Friday's highs, I'll be out of everything except for like maybe like breadcrumbs, as Sean said, if we get into Friday's highs. Well, not highs, sorry. Forget about highs. I'm talking about the high during the day, because the highs are up here at almost $11. I don't think this is going back to the price, because there's something a little bit broken in this deal, and part of the reason for that is what's going on with JW. And that was a really deep
Is that the new
pullback
stock
on
market
Tesla just
news?
now.
Let's look it up.
Yikes.
OPRT.
Tesla just dropped $10 in a single shot here. So the market is starting to come back in here. I'm inclined to believe let it settle down before making the next
trade zero is
move.
probably one of the worst.
Because that's exactly what this market's giving you. Then all you had to do is have 1 or 2 things off the bottom and you should be good. But there's no need to just jump on the big here as things start to come back in. I'll go back to the names that we wanted. but I think the prices that we can get them at are a little bit different from before, because I found myself still bidding 44.20 on iBid. Let me just go ahead and cancel that bid here. Bitcoin up. I mean, yeah, West K, Bitcoin up 2%. Our iBid chart is just going to show it from prior close, which is completely irrelevant. It doesn't really matter. You know, we had from bottom to top, we're actually more than 2% to the upside. Let's see if we can't pull back, put a higher low in. Forget about VWAP. You've moved so far away from the volume weighted average price. I don't know that it's going to be that great of an indicator for us here this one. Let's go to Adara for the small cap recap.
VAC, RAMP.
There's IWM 15-minute chart looking pretty much like the whole market today. We pushed to the lows, I guess pre-market lows.
Just gonna sell that there. That brings my account back to life.
Now currently trading around 185. We had this pop, but we've already given back some of that move. Here's Jen over JNVR. This one's already halted. This company yet a story that a team formerly of Kraken has acquired a majority stake in JNVR. Then we have WCT. This one's already given up some of this move, but keep an eye on WCT as well.
Let's see if this thing comes back. Had a nice bottoming tail there. Sold a bit early. We're going to wait for the first pullback on this move.
BJDX was
I really believe this is my best bet.
Cap gapper this morning. No news, but about a 440,000 share afloat for Blue Jay Diagnostics. Back to you.
The IXY may
Blue Jay
resume in less than a minute.
Diagnostics.
Yeah, my wife just,
Wow, this really went more than I thought. I should have held on. I should have went even bigger. This trade alone could have got me to green
right here, look at this. Here's a Blue Jay.
We won't think about it.
Right now.
But I'm gonna stick with NWTG.
That's a
If I
big
get back at me digging out a hole, it starts with just sticking with one ticker. And NWTG fits all my parameters.
Yeah, I don't know, but that
we need a pullback here.
Blue Jay here. Oh, there we go. Zoom in a little bit. Shout out to my wife. She knows it's my favorite bird. So we have a lot of them. Actually, I like hawks. And,
I like cardinals, actually.
Yeah, we have tons of
OSB
cardinals.
may
I'll get her
resume
to
in
send
less
some
than a
pictures
minute.
there, but there's a Blue Jay.
Aaron loves
there,
cardinals.
so.
She just thinks they're prettier.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, cardinals are really nice. The Blue Jays get huge,
MFSG may
which is
resume
what's
in less
awesome.
than a minute.
Wow, we might. I was joking that we wouldn't see VWAP that quickly.
I wouldn't be surprised if there's a little bit more juice in this back.
Like Intel just went red again. We
That's sort of what I'm counting on. I do see
as much as a relief rally that was. The thing about, like, yeah, I was looking for some reversions off the top, but you're not getting a clean trend reversion.
5-minute
it's just not
wash
going to happen.
reclaim
I just
kind of
wait there,
pullback trade.
Get out of here.
Oh my goodness, this thing fired up way more than I thought.
No,
Can't chase it up here, though.
we're getting down halt. This pullback is so big. We got down halts on Wayfair. We got down halts on Palantir.
I gotta wait for the pullback.
Limit down. Okay, so
Is it that fast?
I think it is. I think it is. But this might be.
I'm actually feeling a little bit more hopeful now.
I've never seen anything like this where you just
I'm
have
just
a
gonna
bunch
jump in
of
this 900
regular
shares just
stocks,
to get it to start to pull back.
for lack of a better term, regular stocks halting on a massive up move. Like it's 1% up, and on the pullback, you're halting back into the downside.
Now this win I just got actually.
I'm just going to pick one. I'm going to look to see what else might be halted. I'm going to pick one and look for an open trade.
It got me back in the game.
Where's my
so
halt
I'm
scanner?
excited about that.
There's a bunch of stuff halted on the halt scanner here, but
Futures don't halt.
no, the futures don't halt, everybody. Although UVXY did, volatility halted, which was I think some kind of a sign for us.
BJDX did.
That UVXY.
I'll get out of a peek.
I spun out of control too early.
Yeah, so we're in the Palantir trade. I'm not.
Wait a minute, this didn't
I am
open
by
back.
far not worried about any of this. We
NVIDIA
cashed out. We talked about we had less than 10% left.
Really need a pullback
that
on
was
this.
before this move. So right now I have less than 5% left of these TQs, and we just got some more out right now. So we're pretty much holding pretty much all of our gains. I mean, I didn't even know these were